Hi everybody, looks like my Samsung Model SMH1816 has broken. It should not sound like this when I open it. Of course, the culprit is going to be switches located right here and here. First thing we're going to do is unplug it as usual. Then we're going to need to remove 2 Phillips head screwdrivers from the top. Then we're going to go ahead and pull on this top mold piece. It should slide right out. At this point you've got 3 screws left, 1 Phillips head right here to remove the control. As soon as that screw is out, all you're going to do is pull up on the control panel and it should pull right out. One point, you may want to take a picture of the way these plugs are laid out. Pretty self-explanatory, but still, it's nice to have a backup just in case. As soon as you remove those, then we're going to go ahead and remove the 2 star screws that are mounting the 3 plugs from this microwave. Now, as soon as we get these screws out, you're going to notice there are 2 little clips that are actually holding the switch mounting bracket in place, these 2 right here. Okay. All you're going to do is push up, I'm just going to pull right out. Now this is where it gets really easy. Each one of those switches is actually held in place by this little plastic tab in these 3 locations. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to push that down and then the plug is going to slide right out of the back. Now of course, you're eventually going to have to remove the plugs from the switch as well. They might be a little snug, so just take your time and they should pull right out. As you can see, this is one of the switches right here. Now I have 3, so I've decided to replace all 3 of them. You may not need to, but since we don't know which one is actually broken, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I ordered this set of switches and within 2 days I got them back from Amazon. Then we're going to reinstall them, put the plate back in, insert those pesky screws, get that trim back on. As soon as we're done, now we're going to go ahead and try our test. We'll plug it back in. I'm going to open that door. Perfect. Exactly what we're expecting. Now, of course, there's the final test. Let's heat up that cup of coffee. I'm good to go. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out. This entire repair took me 20 minutes max. It's pretty easy and save you money on spending another $400 for a new microwave. If you need any help, let me know. Have a good day, guys. Bye.